So the process to take scrolling screenshots on Windows 11 without any extension or any app is quite simple. You need Google Chrome browser for that. So open up the Chrome browser. And once you're here, just go to the page for which you want to take a scrolling screenshot. So for example, I go to the Notion docs. They are really long. Hit enter and I would simply go to these docs. So you can see it is a really long page. And if I want to take the screenshot, just go and right click, go to inspect. And once this happens, make sure you do the 50%. So it is the desktop version that you want to take the screenshot of. And once you're here, just go and click on these three dots. So here you can see, make sure that this is turned on, this one. Otherwise you won't see this one. So click on this and click on capture full size screenshot. Just go and wait for it. It will scroll itself and do the whole thing. And you can see the download is here. Just go and click on this to open it up. So you can see the whole screenshot is here. So I will zoom in a bit, maybe 100%. And now you can see the screenshot is here. So even if I open it up, the whole screenshot is here. I would do a bit of this one. Yeah, so you can see the whole screenshot. I hope this video has helped you out to take the scrolling screenshot on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.